Alina, and today I will talk about how I get along with my material things like money, my possessions, that kind of things. So, answering the question of how materialistic am I do consider that I am a person who likes to have things, good things. Especially, I really like fashion, makeup, also skincare, personal care in general. So I like to invest in that. I also like technology. The last purchase I made was for a I did sorry the last purchase I did was for a smartwatch. I didn't need it, but the thing was that I did want it. So so for me, that kind of stuff or that kind of shopping is a bit materialistic. And with this, you might think that I'm not so careful with my money, and it is a bit embarrassing to say it or to admit it. But yeah, I'm considering myself a, that I'm not so careful, and that is because I still live with I still live comfortably with my parents, so I do not have to pay for anything. Also, now that I have my degree in architecture, I will hopefully find a job, and I hope very soon go and live alone. So I think that by necessity I will have to be very careful with everything I have. I think one of the issues for which I have to say that I am guilty, it is that I'm very jealous to my things with my things. I always have my cell phone, my smartwatch all the time, all the day. For example, I have a twin sister, so obviously we are the same age, and I don't know if it is a good or a bad thing. I think it depends of the situation, but most of the time it is bad because she likes to grab my clothes, my accessories, my makeup, and I do not like it because all the time I feel that she doesn't take care of these things, and she can damage them. And it's also worse when it doesn't even ask for it, and at the end of the day I found out that she used them. So it is worse because a fight it is sure that a fight is coming because of that. And well, that's one of the reasons why when we were little, my mom always tried to buy us everything the same. If it was a doll, if it was clothes, and for example, if it was a doll, it had to be the same. And I think in that time we still grabbed the others doll while we having the same one. So yeah, that's exaggerated. But I think that's the thing about sisters. We will always have that kind of fights. And well, another question was if I buy things that I don't need. I already talked a little about this, but I think that I usually buy a lot of clothes or even many shoes that I like because I think about how beautiful, how amazing they will look with my outfits that I create on my head. And so I feel that I need them, but I do not really because they are things that I do not use often. So and much more now that I with this quarantine I don't wear much clothes and I still buying them on online stores. So yeah, I have to try to do it. I have to try to not do it anymore. And there is also a question, um, if I ever get angry that I have lost everything of value. And of course, yes, I remember once I was on a public transportation, and when I got off, I felt that I have no longer my cell phone, and it was terrible. I felt very sad, and I tried to call my number, and it was off. That was what bothered me the most. That the person who grabbed my phone, when they found it, it turned it off, and really took less than 5 minutes. So it was sad. But in general, as I said, I am very careful with my things. So I always try to take care of them. And well, to finish this topic, I think that I am a person who likes to have things, a little jealous with them, but they are things that I want to change. These issues that I want to change, because I don't think they are the best qualities on a person. So the next time my sister asks me for something like clothes or makeup, I will try to I will try to say yes, and just to be less attached with this kind of things. So, yeah, that will be all. Thanks for watching. Bye.